we're sitting here. It's the 4th weekend of archery. We went to a whole new location. We're over in Nuclear, Colorado now. And we kind of got hunted out in Steamboat area, so came over here and dropped into a canyon. Weston has shot a bull in 2 years ago. We got a couple of bulls running around with some cows right now. We're watching as they go through these trees over here. Not sure where they're headed. They're running up the mountain, so we'll see what happens. Sit here and watch them and see if we can't get on them later this evening.
Got a bull in the bottom of the draw here. Bugling. Sounded like he was coming up here, so Cody's gonna move down in front of me about 40 yards. I'm gonna stay back here and call. We got our dummy set up right over here, so. And that's the one right there. Didn't sound too happy on that one. Just got a glimpse of him in here. Oh, there he is. Maybe that's a cow. That's a bull. Nice bull. Pretty nice. He's on the other side there. Slowly grazing along. Oh boy, I don't know what to do. This bull's kind of just grazing around on the hill there. Might be looking for a bed spot by himself. All the other cows and maybe another bull took off up the hill. That's not him bugling, is it? We're sitting here working this bull and he's on the other side. The cow came up this side. Just didn't quite have a shot right. 50 yards. Hey, I think she's gonna try and circle. She might be right over that hill. There's our wind. I don't have my bubbles. It's going on. She's still young and dumb enough. It might be able to work. We'll see. just woke up from our long nap, another long nap. Get a little food, get some energy in us, and then head down to the bottom of the draw, try and catch those elk coming back down. We just had a young cow. Let out a few cow calls and she came sprinting down towards us, so I think she's coming. I wonder if we should get right up there where there's a little more cover. That way we're not sitting right behind this decoy.
It's a cat, though.
Hopefully she doesn't pop out over there downwind. I think the wind's blowing straight down now. It's swirling around.
Did you take my call? Okay. When I had my bird head on my back, I'm like, lost that one now. About 7 o'clock. We finally found our bull again. Trying to get a good position to get him to come in and maybe get a shot on him tonight. I'm having a hard time locating him and seeing where he's going to go, so it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. Alright, well, we're back. We didn't end up having enough footage. We lost a lot of our footage for weekend number 3. And Weston was there by himself. So we ended up having to just skip straight to the last weekend of our hunt for the season. But we ended up going to Nucla. That was
back down to the hometown where I grew up.
Yeah.
I killed a bull in that, my first archery bull in that area. So I figured let's just run there. I know the country good and try something new.
Yeah, it ended up being pretty good. When we got there, we got a couple of bulls to crack off, so we took off after them. We got down there, and as we were approaching down towards the bottom of the canyon, we ended up spooking some elk, and they ended up coming up. We actually called in the cow like you saw in the video. She came in rather close, but never got a comfortable shot. She was just too short. We're pretty sure it was a yearling or 2-year-old. So too short for the grass. Couldn't really see what we were shooting at, so we didn't take a shot. But
yeah, she wandered off up the hill, and we went back and took a nap, and then that's when we woke up and heard that bull bugle again. Decided to go to the other side and go after him. You can hear it in the video. We had him bugling non-stop pretty much, but couldn't get him to come in. We just weren't aggressive enough towards him, so that's pretty much where we ended the season.
yeah,
That was right there at the end.
yeah, it was. We chased him for. I think we chased him for probably what 2-3 hours,
Yeah,
maybe even longer than that.
right up till dark.
He never came in, but yeah, I mean, it was quite a heck of a season, and unfortunately, to top off the the end of the season, stroke of bad luck again. Started the season with bad luck and ended it with bad luck. We ended up getting flat tire on the truck on the way off the mountain, and so that was a whole situation in itself. So it was just
rough season.
Season full of bad luck, but yeah.
Got in on the elk, just couldn't get it done. So.
That's all going to change for this season, but 2018 is going to be a lot better.
Yeah, and from 2015 to now, like Cody had been in school, so tough for him to get up and hunt. So we didn't get much filming in there. I filmed a little bit of last year, but
yeah, I had to take a couple breaks or a couple years and go to school, but that's all part of it. But yeah, I'm back now, and we're gonna hit hard and better than ever. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, we get it done for you guys this season.
yeah. And then this video will have part 2 of the giveaway.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
same thing. You just subscribe to our channel to enter, and find us on Facebook, like our page, and tag 3 friends, and we'll put all the names in a hat and draw for the winner.
No, that'll be. We'll give it a couple of weeks after we post up the video, but kind of give you guys some time to get entered.
Yeah.
That wraps up the 2015 season. Thanks, guys.